Chapter 1. Categories of Computer and Computer Languages. Today, in the age of electronic revolution, computer has become an integral part of our lives, influences nearly every aspect of society. Let us learn about categories of computers and computer languages. Categories of computers. Computers can be categorized on the basis of various criteria: on the basis of size, on the basis of type, on the basis of purpose, on the basis of generations. Computers on the basis of size. The four basic types of computer on the basis of size are given below. Supercomputers. Supercomputers are extremely powerful computers used for complex calculations and large-scale simulations. They are used in weather forecasting, nuclear power stations, scientific research, etc. Examples are Cray series, Param, Anurag, Titan, Pratyush, Mihir, etc. Do you know? The Param and Anurag are two supercomputers manufactured in India. Mainframe computers. Mainframe computers are large, powerful, and expensive computers. They are mainly used by large organizations where huge amount of data needs to be handled, like airlines and government sectors. They are used for large-scale computing applications such as census. Examples are Honeywell 700 series, IBM 4300 and 3300 series. Do you know? Mainframe computers were first developed by a company named IBM, International Business Machines. Mini computers, mid-range computers. Mini computers are less powerful than mainframe but more powerful than microcomputers. They are used for scientific and engineering computations, business transaction processing, file handling, and database management. Examples are HP 3000, PDP series, IBM 8000, and VAC 7500. Microcomputers, personal computer. They are cheaper and smaller computers and can be used by one person at a time. They are mainly used in schools, offices, colleges, and homes for general purpose tasks like browsing, gaming, word processing, etc. Examples are IBM PC, Palm Top, and Apple Macintosh. Microcomputers can be further classified into two categories: desktop computers, portable computers, desktop computers. A desktop computer is a personal computer designed for regular use at a single location on or near a desk or table due to its size and power requirement. Portable computers. A portable computer is a computer small enough to carry around. They work with rechargeable batteries and very popular with travelers. Portable computers include laptop, notebook, palm top, tablet, UMPC, ultramobile PC, PDA, personal digital assistant. Embedded computers. Embedded computer is a small computer fixed inside a machine to perform a particular task. Let's discuss some machines that have embedded computers inside them. Kindle. A Kindle is a small handheld electronic device for reading books, newspapers, and magazines, which can be downloaded from the internet. ATM, automated teller machine, is another example of the embedded computer that allows us to withdraw money from our bank account from anywhere and anytime. Glucometer. A glucometer is also known as glucose meter or blood glucose monitoring device. It is a home measurement system you can use to test the amount of glucose, sugar in your body. GPS receiver. Global Positioning System is a pocket-sized device that helps in getting the details of the location where you are and also provides the directions to other locations. Remember, wearable computer is a small computing device designed to be worn as an accessory on a user's body. For examples, on the wrist. It is often used in the study of behavior and human health. Computers. On the basis of type. The three types of computers on the basis of type are given below. Analog or analog computers. Analog computers work with a range of values continuously. The results produced on these computers is approximate and not precise. Some examples are speedometer, fuel pumps, thermometer, etc. Digital computers. Digital computers work on discrete data. They utilize a binary number, 0 and 1. The standard computers we use today are digital computers. They are more accurate and precise than analogy computers. Some examples are digital watches, calculators, Apple Macintosh, cell phones, graphic tablets, etc. Hybrid computers. Hybrid computers contain elements of both digital and analog computers. They are used for specialized tasks only. Some examples are blood pressure machines, ECG machines, ATM machines, etc. Computers on the basis of purpose. The two types of computers on the basis of purpose are given below. General purpose computers. General purpose computers are designed to perform a wide variety of functions and operations. Examples are desktop computers, laptop, tablets, smartphones, etc. Special purpose computers. Special purpose computer refer to computers that are built to perform specific tasks. Examples include automatic teller machines, washing machines, traffic light control system, robots, etc. Computers on the basis of generation. The 5 types of computers on the basis of generation are given below. The first generation computers, 1940 to 1958. They used vacuum tubes for circuitry and were huge in size. The second generation computers, 1959 to 1963. They used transistors and became smaller, faster, and more reliable. The third generation computers, 1964 to 1970. They used IC, integrated circuit, further reduction in size and cost. The fourth generation computers, 1971 to 1988. They used VLSI, very large scale integrator, became very small in size and much faster. The fifth generation computers, 1989 to present. In this generation, computers are developed based on AI, artificial intelligence, and advanced computing technologies. Types of computers' languages. Language is a mode in which one can communicate and understand to perform some task. Computers also need to get and understand the instructions in a proper sequence in order to carry out any task properly, because a computer can understand only computer language. So, all the instructions have to be given in some type of computer language. A set of instructions in a computer language is called a program. Languages are basically classified into 2 types: low-level languages, high-level languages. Low-level language. Low-level languages are designed in such a way that they can operate and handle the entire hardware and its components. These languages are easier for a computer to understand, but difficult for a human to understand. 2 low-level languages are machine language, and assembly language. High-level language. High-level languages give instructions in natural language like English. Thus, these are easier for human to understand, but difficult for a computer to understand. There are many high-level languages, e.g., BASIC, COBOL, C, C++, Java, etc. Evolution of computer languages. Programming language is a medium between the programmer, the person who writes a program, and the computer. Programming languages have evolved over the years with different generations of computers, which are given below. First generation's languages. The first generation's languages implemented machine languages. It was directly understood by the computer. In this language, every set of instructions was a group of binary digits, 0 and 1. It didn't require any translation. It was very difficult to learn and write instructions. It was machine dependent, as the program written on one machine may behave differently on another machine. Second generation languages. The second generation's languages implemented assembly language. It consisted of small instructions called mnemonic codes. For example, to add two numbers, the mnemonic ADD was used. To subtract, sub was used, so it was comparatively easier to write and learn. It was also machine dependent. Third generation's languages. The third generation's languages implemented languages similar to English, which was simple and easy to understand. These languages were machine independent and are referred to as high-level programming languages. For example, BASIC, COBOL, Fortran, C, C++, Java, and so on. Fourth generation languages. The fourth generation's languages implemented English language and were user-friendly. These languages reduced programming efforts, and cost, and used graphical interface and icons. It was also machine independent. For example, Power Builder, SQL, Nomad, Python, Unix, and so on. Fifth generation languages. The fifth generation's languages implement visual programming languages or natural languages. These languages are more advanced and are developed to solve a problem without the programmer. For example, OPS5, Prolog, and Mercury. Latest high-level languages. Today, many high-level languages are used because each language was designed for a specific purpose. Let us discuss some of these high-level languages. C programming language was developed 1972 by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Laboratories of AT&T, American Telephone and Telegraph. Located in the US, our programs written in C are efficient and fast. C++. C++ is an object-oriented programming language. It was developed 1980 at AT&T Bell Laboratories. It is an extension of C language. It is much suitable for large projects. HTML. Hypertext. Markup language is a special language used to create and design web pages. It was developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1990. Visual Basic, VB. It was created by Microsoft in 1991. It provides a GUI, graphical user interface, that allows the programmer to drag and drop objects into the program as well as manually write the program code. It is derived from BASIC. Java. Java was developed in 1991 by James Gosling and his team of Sun Microsystems. It is an object-oriented language. It runs on a variety of platforms such as Windows, macOS, and the various versions of Unix. Python. Python is widely used high-level programming language. that gained immense popularity due to its clear syntax, ease of use, and wide range of application. It was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Language translator and its types. A translator is a computer program or software that translates a programming language's code to machine code that a computer can understand and work upon. There are three types of language translators. Compiler. Compiler translates the whole program in a single operation. Interpreter. An interpreter translates a program in a step-by-step process. It is slower than the compiler. Assembler. An assembler converts a program written in an assembly language into a machine language. Recap zone. Computers are classified in 4 major categories on the basis of size, type, purpose, and generations. The Param and Anurag are 2 supercomputers manufactured in India. Embedded computer is a small computer fixed inside a machine to perform a particular task. A set of instructions in a computer language is called a program.